do you think that, how does everybody march in unison to something like this when we know there's a lot of examples of nefarious activity? We just lived through COVID, so they know. People, they have to be complete morons to not know what's happening here. So that tells me that these people are controlled in a different way at a higher level, and they're marching in lockstep because they're controlled. How do we break through that blackmail and control that these world leaders find themselves under? Like your country, Indonesia, if you don't follow through, we'll bankrupt you, kind of thing. So how do we get them to follow through, knowing that there's this level of blackmail and coercion that's behind it?
Well, this
What
is
I
where
realized,
go on.
go ahead. Because you asked about Indonesia, right?
Yeah, go ahead, Richard. Say what you want to go say. How do we get past this wall of coercion and blackmail?
I think it's education. We have to tell them in a very rapid way. And I say this is very effective with video, with evidence. I make a 43-minute videos with all the data, and only in 2 days already almost 100,000 Indonesian people watch that, and they give reaction. And if you see the reaction, you feel sorry. He said, "Look, sir, yesterday someone come to my place and then they spread, they give the mosquito. Can you help?" If you read that, you want to cry if you read that, because they're yeah, we call it small people, and they're not educated. Now with that, then we also make petition. Our petition also in 1 week we have a 69,000 this, and it's plenty. So then with that petition, we go to the parliament and we send to the ministry, like Francis say, and we'll see what they will do. Because somebody have to say, somebody have to talk with them and educate. And I'm sure also there are many people in the parliament do not know about this. Yeah. And you know, in Indonesia, when a minister of health want to do something, they have to ask to coordinate with the other ministry. For example, Minister of Defense, yeah, Minister of Tourism, Minister of Agriculture, and he didn't do that. So he violated all the laws, and we have to tell to the people, to the minister, hey, you are violating your own law. Yeah, that's
so
the way is to you have to mastering the law of in this country, because even the minister himself doesn't know the law what he wrote. Yeah, so if you're mastering this, you have to gathering all the lawyer here and educate them also, can be very rapid, which law, and then explain that to the media now. And it's only that I see. I don't see the other way, because impossible for England, for example, put pressure to Indonesia because it's our domestic affair, right? So Indonesian people must stand by themselves. They need to have enough information, and they have to speak. This is what happened in Bali. In Bali, can you imagine? It was the plan want to release on the 13th of November. I met Francis on the 21st of September, and we start our movement on the 5th of November. Yeah, in 5 days we can push this, and the minister, the governor, stop it. Yeah, so actually, when we give a public pressure by giving this information, they will listen. This is what I realized what happened in Bali. So this is going to be happen also in another place, in another city, and in another country.